Hi Team Darebin, my name is Clifford Moss. I am a social entrepreneur and strategist who has been working in the brand communications marketing strategy space for the best part of 30 years. Most recently, I've been right down the rabbit hole on AI and explored and learnt and joined communities and really got to grips with what it can do as a thinking partner, not just a little bit of help on social posts and research. And that is why I'm delighted to be putting this video together to propose this workshop, AI as your co-pilot, turning ideas into action. Of course, while AI has been useful to me, I have realized very quickly just how useful it could be to other very small businesses. I am now a one-man band consultancy, and sure, that works for me, although for many years I did think I cannot do this on my own. And it's true, we can't do it on our own. There's a lot of help out there and we need to learn to harness it and use it. So as I say, most people just use AI for editing and research, and sure, that's really helpful. It does help to save time, but it's when you start to engage with AI and use it as a thinking partner to set it up correctly and really enable it to help you, that is where you can really explore, stress test ideas, and importantly, move forward and grow your business. This workshop is perfect for small business owners who are short on time and short on cash, who really need to get more customers through the door and need to grow their business and need to be able to make their decisions quickly. It is really useful at any level, whether you're doing project management or you're needing to pull together a marketing plan. Look, there are so many different scenarios. There's no one size fits all, but what is important is to understand the framework within which you as a business owner could use AI and be able to walk into a room with me, with members of your community, other contemporaries in business, and understand very quickly how to use it. In the 90 minutes together, we'll do live AI demos, we'll do some group exercises, we'll do some hands-on work. Everyone will leave with an AI-assisted outline, how to use it and what to do and how to move forward, and really to have that simple framework in place. We could obviously follow this up with a secondary workshop where we can start to refine this, but I think I'll just leave this as a one and done for now. And should the opportunity arise, I would very much like to discuss making it into a series. It's a super practical, engaging session that's designed to help local business community members to use AI with confidence, to help them get clear on their ideas and to really act with confidence about their business. This is about using AI to really help move forward and grow your business. I hope this video has helped shed light on exactly how this workshop would play out, and I'd be delighted to bring it to Darebin. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.